Hello everyone, welcome to Raj_Channel Chatter. We're here to discuss some important topics that often get overlooked. Today, we're diving into some hard truths about your job that no one wants to admit. These are the realities that can be tough to swallow but are essential for your mental and emotional well-being. Let's get real. Your job is not your life, it's just a job. While it may feel like your entire world sometimes, it's crucial to remember that your life extends far beyond the confines of your office or workspace. First off, your company is not your family. Despite the warm and fuzzy language often used in corporate settings, the primary goal of any business is to make a profit. Companies exist primarily for profit, not to look after your personal well-being. Remember that. They may offer perks and benefits, but these are designed to keep you productive and loyal, not necessarily happy. Your colleagues? They're not your friends either. While you may form bonds and enjoy camaraderie, at the end of the day, everyone is looking out for their own interests. Everyone has their own interests and motivations. This doesn't mean you can't have meaningful relationships at work, but it's important to keep a healthy perspective. Here's another brutal truth. If something bad happens to you, your company can easily replace you. No matter how indispensable you think you are, the business will continue without you. That's the reality of the corporate world. It's a system designed to prioritize efficiency and profit over individual well-being. Stop believing corporate propaganda that brainwashes you into overworking. The idea that you must sacrifice your personal life for your job is a myth that benefits the company, not you. Don't let your job define your worth or identity. You are so much more than your job title or position. Your value is inherent and not tied to your professional achievements. You are more than just a job title or position. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment outside of work. Spend time with loved ones, pursue hobbies, and take care of your mental health. Come to work, do your job, get paid, and go home. Protect your energy. It's essential to set boundaries and ensure that your job doesn't consume your entire life. There's so much more to life than just your career. Never forget that. Explore the world, spend time with family and friends, and invest in experiences that enrich your life. Thanks for tuning in to Raj_Channel Chatter. We hope these insights help you navigate your professional life with a healthier mindset. If you found this video valuable, save it for later. Share it with friends who might need